And we're continuing to follow the COVID-19 case that's caused several Marcy Hers students to be excluded from class. As we've reported, the Washoe County Health District says the parents of the student knew the student tested positive 2 days before they sent them to school and still let them go. That student reportedly exposed at least 80 people to the virus. Well, that had us thinking, what kind of legal ramifications can people face for going to public places when they know they have the virus? Victor Park spoke to health leaders.
Well, it is the COVID exposure at Marcyhurst Middle School that have many wondering after a parent intentionally allowed their child to expose others to the virus. And the most we spoke to say that person should face consequences.
You're potentially putting their life in danger. So I think there should be some ramifications. Yes, I don't know what those are. I don't know if somebody should go to jail for it.
While others stopped short of pointing fingers.
Well, I don't know what consequences. I would hope people aren't intentionally trying to go out and infect other people.
But according to Nevada state law, a person who knowingly exposes others is guilty of a misdemeanor, and that means they could face fines and even prison time. Now, in this case, the parent could be held responsible, but the health district says they most likely won't pursue any legal action.
We don't want to use those resources to pursue any investigation or charges towards anyone who's violating certain protocols.
So Auxerard says they just want cooperation because the priority is to slow the spread of COVID. And the health district says they often hit roadblocks when they call someone who may have been exposed. And some are afraid people will find out the person has COVID. But under HIPAA law, that information is confidential. And yet it is more than often their staff receives backlash during those calls.
It's pretty common to have some people that we reach out to who are a little more contentious.
Covering the story, I'm Victor Park, 2 News.